Max and Tina are old friends. Today, they meet at a coffee shop after a long time. Listen carefully. Today, we will also learn some grammar.
Max, is that you? It's so good to see you.
Tina! Wow, it's been such a long time. How are you?
I am very happy today. And you?
I am happy too.
Grammar time. The word I is the first person singular. With I, we use am. I am happy. Repeat after me. I am happy.
Let's order some coffee. I love the coffee here.
Me too. Coffee makes every day better. So, Max, how is life? How is your work?
Life is good. Work is busy, but I like my job. What about you?
I am good too. I have a new job now. I really enjoy it.
That's wonderful. Congratulations, Tina. The weather is so nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it is warm and sunny. A perfect day for coffee.
Coffee is a noun. A noun is the name of a thing, person, or place. Enjoy is a verb. A verb is an action word. I enjoy, you enjoy, we enjoy. Warm and sunny are adjectives. Adjectives describe things. Warm day, sunny sky, hot coffee.
I'm hungry. Should we order some food too?
Yes. 1 sandwich for me, please. No, wait. 2 sandwiches.
This omelet is delicious. Do you want to try some?
No, thank you. My sandwich is perfect.
Repeat after me. The coffee is hot. 1 sandwich, 2 sandwiches. We add es to make it plural. Plural means more than one.
So, Max, what do you like to do these days? Any hobbies?
I like reading books and playing cricket on Sundays. And you?
I love painting. I paint flowers and trees every weekend.
What are your plans for the future, Tina?
I am going to learn photography next month. I'm so excited.
That's great. I am going to visit my parents in December.
Quick quiz. Is sandwich a noun or a verb? It's a noun. A sandwich is a thing. Great job.
Look at us, drinking coffee and talking like old times.
Yes, we are eating, laughing, and enjoying this day.
We should meet more often, Max. Once every month?
Great idea. Same coffee shop, same table.
It's a promise. This was such a lovely day.
What do you like? We use the word what to ask questions. What, where, when, who.
Goodbye, Tina. See you next month.
Going to talks about future plans. I am going to learn. He is going to visit. We are eating. This is happening now. With we use are.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.